So we are live. You can kick off.
Welcome to Sham A Ghana with Indus TV, and of course we have two wonderful singers presenting this evening and giving us a delight to the stressful days that we have just passed by, and of course looking for hopeful times away. Welcome to Dr. Tushar Patel. How are you, Dr. Tushar?
Hello, I'm good, Madhvi. How are you?
I'm doing fantastic. How's the quarantine? How's the lockdown treating you?
So far so good. Things are very different. I'm never used to this kind of life and feeling totally isolated myself for last 3 weeks now.
And that's the reason I think we planned something like this so that we can give you good company.
Yes,
and I think we're also joined by Neeti. Hi, Neeti. How are you?
Hi, good. How are you?
Doing fantastic, Neeti. So how are things with you on your side of town?
They're pretty good. We're all in quarantine again. Like he said, it's a new experience, but we're getting there step by step.
Getting there. So you all set for the evening?
We are, yeah.
Okay, we are all excited to be hearing both of you, and of course all the wonderful participants will be joining us soon. So let me give a little introduction to our viewers that we have Dr. Tushar Patel and Neeti with us. Dr. Tushar Patel worked for the United States Department of Justice for over 27 years and is currently serving as the Chief of Health Care Quality and Risk Management in Washington, D.C. Of course, he's a very known and popular face of the community. He takes care of any problem that comes to the community firsthand by the horns. He serves as the president of the Indian Health Camp of New Jersey since 2006 and provides his vision, expertise, and dedicated services to leading team of volunteers. And apart from that, a hidden talent, very few of us know that he is an exceptional singer and he loves singing and it is his passion. And of course, we have the very talented and sweet Neeti here, who is a senior student at Hillsborough High School. Singing is a passion too. And she started learning Hindustani classical since she was 5 years old. And soon classical music became her good base, and then she's moved on and traveling further. We wish her the best. As we continue into the evening, I'll be giving more introduction about Dr. Tushar Patel and Neeti. So let's kick off this evening with a beautiful beginner. And of course, I would request Neeti to start off.
Sure. पालनहारे निर्गुण और न्यारे पालनहारे निर्गुण और न्यारे तुमरे बिन हमरा कौन नहीं हमरे उलझन सुलझाओ भगवन तुमरे बिन हमरा कौन नहीं तुम्हें हमका हो संभाले तुम्हें हमरे रखवाले तुमरे बिन हमरा कौन नहीं तुमरे बिन हमरा कौन नहीं तुमरे बिन हमरा कौन नहीं चंदा में तुम्हें तो भरे
हमरा कोनो नहीं, तुमरे बिन हमरा कोनो नहीं। मन को धीरज दो, हारे नहीं वो कभी दुख से, तुम निर्बल को रक्षा दो, रह पाए निर्बल सुख से। भक्ति को शक्ति दो, भक्ति को शक्ति दो, जग के जो स्वामी हो इतनी तो सुनो, है पत में दे दो वरदान में उजियारे, ओ पालनहारे निर्गुण और न्यारे, तुमरे बिना हमरा कोनो नहीं। हमरी उलझन सुलझाओ भगवन, तुमरे बिन हमरा कोनो नहीं।
Thank you, Neeti. That was a beautiful selection. 2001 film थी लगान and A.R. रहमान का music, and हमारी उलझन जो है वो भगवान ही सुलझा सकते हैं. Let me welcome all our attendees here: Ankit, Ashwin, Harshad, Harshida, Krish, Lakshmi, Radha, Neil, Madhav, Sagar, Sangeeta, Shiva, and Tusharji and Vijayji, and of course Mangla has just joined in. Welcome to this Sham A Gana, and I'm Madhvi Batula here. We are joined here with Tusharji and of course also with Neeti. Neeti just kicked off this evening with a beautiful bhajan song from the film Lagan, and Neeti, take it up from here.
So this next song is one of my favorites. It's Baahon Mein Chale Aao. So I hope you guys enjoy this one.
बाहों में चले आओ, बाहों में चले आओ, हो हमसे सनम क्या पर्दा, ओ हमसे सनम क्या पर्दा, ये आज का नहीं मिलन, ये संग है उम्र भर का। बाहों में चले आओ, हो हमसे सनम क्या पर्दा, हो हमसे सनम क्या पर्दा। चले ही जाना है नजर चुरा के यूं, फिर थामी थी समझन तुमने मेरी कलाई क्यों। हाँ चले ही जाना है नजर चुरा कुछ तो कहो पिया हमसे, कम से कम आज तो खुल के मिलो जरा हमसे, कभी कभी कुछ तो कहो पिया हमसे, कम से कम आज तो खुल के मिलो जरा हमसे, है रात अपनी जो तुम हो अपने, किसी का फिर हमें डर क्या, बाहों में चले हो हमसे सनम क्या पर्दा, हो हमसे सनम क्या पर्दा, ये आज का नहीं मिलन, ये संदेह है उम्र भर का, बाहों में चले हो हमसे सनम क्या पर्दा, हो हमसे सनम क्या पर्दा.
Thank you, Niti. All the songs from this film, Anamika, were written by Majroon Sultapuri and the music was composed by Rahul Dev Burman. As I mentioned, the movie was Anamika. We look forward to more singing now ahead from you, Niti. I think you need a little break there. So we'll get on to Dr. Tushar Patel. And of course, like I mentioned in the beginning, that he needs no introduction, but for all the viewers who are just joining in, Dr. Patel received the United States Department of Justice Community Service Award from the United States Attorney General in 2012. He also received the NJ State Governor's Thomas Jefferson Award for Public Services and Healthcare Professional for the year 2015. ये तो बस शुरुआत है इनकी इंट्रोडक्शन के बारे में, लेकिन जैसे कहा कि उनका जो पैशन है वो सिंगिंग है. And of course, we go to start of the second segment where we shift the mic towards Tushar ji and where he kicks off the next song. Tushar ji, गाने के बारे में बताइए, कौन सा गाना आप गा रहे हैं?
So first of all, before I start my song, I would like to thank Vijay Garg of PGA Indus TV for his wonderful support to creating this platform. This is the first time we are doing this. So thank you so much, Vijay ji. Also, Madhu ji, for your support as well. For on Friday evening, away from the family and getting this set up for us. So thank you so much. So I will be singing 1970s Bollywood romantic song sung by Mukesh ji, Jo Tumko Ho Pasand, from film Saman. जो पसंद कहेंगे Thank you.
Thank you. Tusharji, that was a wonderful selection and pick you had from the film Safar, music by Kalyanji Anandji. Am I right?
Yes.
But film भी बहुत बढ़िया थी, especially ये जो गाने के जो lyrics हैं, I think every woman relates to it. I'm sure you agree with that, right?
Yes, absolutely, absolutely. I heard some comments regarding the sound. Was sound?
Yes, we had a little technical issue there, but that's fine. I think you're fixing it. We are also on FB Live, so maybe if you can put that system a little aside, then we may not have that echo. And Tusharji and Neeti, we are getting a lot of song requests. I think you would be able to accommodate them at the end, I'm sure. Thank you. Yes, Tusharji, let's get up with the next pick that you have. And you have picked some really special numbers to this evening.
Yes.
अच्छा, अगले गाने के बारे में थोड़ा इंट्रोडक्शन दीजिए कि कौन सा गाना है.
So this is also another Mukeshji romantic song from film Mukti. Suhani Chandni Raate Hame Sone Nahi Deti. So can I just try for the
Tusharji, let's do a little sound check on this one.
Yeah, that's
first.
what I'm trying to do. That's what I'm trying to do. Yeah.
In the meantime, let me give a shout out to Preeti, Ankit, Ashwin, Deepti, Madhvi, Daksha, BG, Harshad, Harshita, Hemax, Vijay, Kashmiri, Karishma, Madhav, Madhvi Gutti, Neil Karnik, Preeti Dev, Sangeeta Patel, Shefali Patel, Shiva Mathur, Syed, Tushar, Vijay, Radha and Mangala. Welcome to the Sham E Gana. And of course, Tusharji has picked up some wonderful songs this evening. And here we are with the next one.
So let's quickly check the sound. How was it?
Hemex G says this is better now. So there's a little echo coming from your karaoke system, maybe.
Okay. There you go.
Thank you, Tusharji. That was wonderful. Let's have a little bit of audio check with your system there, Tusharji, while Neeti picks up the song from here. Neeti, as we mentioned earlier that you started singing at the age of 5. So we just want to know a little bit, how did you pick up Hindi?
So I'm not actually, I've never learned Hindi, you know, from a teacher or anyone. I actually learned it from Shah Rukh Khan, as I like to say.
Uh-huh.
I watched movies as a kid and I would read the subtitles and try to align it to what they're saying. And so with practice over years, that's how I learned, I think, colloquial Hindi so that I could, I think, speak and get the pronunciation. But that's basically how I picked it up.
So practice is the word there, huh? So your hobby developed in such a way that you became one of the 12 finalists in the Saregama North America competition, performed in India too for ZTV. Congratulations on that. So what is the next song that you've picked up this evening for us?
So I'm gonna try to bring up the beat. We're gonna start with Ashia. It's a little newer, and hopefully it's gonna get everyone moving just a bit.
Okay.
इतनी सी हंसी, इतनी सी खुशी, इतना सा तो प्यारा चांद था, ख्वाबों में दिल से चल बनाए आशियाँ। इतनी सी हंसी, इतनी सी खुशी, इतना सा तो प्यारा चांद था, ख्वाबों में दिल से चल बनाए आशियाँ। दबे दबे पाँव से आए हौले हौले जिंदगी, होठों पे कुंडी चढ़ा के हम ताले लगा के चल गुमसुम तराने चुप के गाए आबे आबे बाटे। आजा दिल की ज़मीन, थोड़ा सा तेरा सा होगा, थोड़ा मेरा भी होगा, अपना ये आशियाँ। इतनी सी हंसी, इतनी सी खुशी, इतना सा तो प्यारा चांद था, ख्वाबों में दिल से चल बनाए आशियाँ। ना हो चार दीवारें, फिर भी झरोखे खुले, बादलों के हो पर्दे, शाही हरे पंख झुले। ना हो कोई तकरारे, हर मस्ती थका के चले, प्यार के सितों से महीने का खर्चा चले। दबे दबे पाँव से आए हौले हौले जिंदगी, होठों पे उंगली चढ़ा के हम ताले लगा के चल गुमसुम तराने चुप के गाए आबे आबे बाटे। आजा दिल की ज़मीन, थोड़ा सा तेरा सा होगा, थोड़ा मेरा भी होगा, अपना ये आशियाँ। इतनी सी हंसी, इतनी सी खुशी, इतना सा तो प्यारा चांद था, ख्वाबों में दिल से चल बनाए आशियाँ। इतनी सी हंसी, इतनी सी खुशी, इतना सा तो प्यारा चांद था, ख्वाबों में दिल से चल बनाए आशियाँ।
We can't hear you. At least I can't hear you. You on mute?
बर्फी की तरह एकदम से मीठा मीठा सा गाना. थैंक यू सो मच नीति. एंड इतनी सी खुशी की बात हो रही है और आपने बहुत सारी खुशियां इस शाम में बांट दी हम सबके साथ. सो अगर एक छोटा सा सवाल हम आपसे पूछें, वो कौन सा प्लेबैक or rather I should say which actress or celebrity would you want to playback sing for if you were given a choice?
I would say I think maybe Aishwarya Rai. I think she's very expressive. And I think it works hand in hand, right? When we sing, we express what the song is saying, and it's, you know, it works well if the actress also expresses as much. So I would personally choose her if I ever got a chance.
You surely will. So when you pick your songs, how do you practice? What songs do you pick? Do you know what it's your mood, or it's your voice, or it's the lyrics of the particular song that attract you? How do you pick your songs?
I think it's a mix. I think it's a healthy mix of mood and lyrics and everything. And I think, you know, if I'm in a happy mood and I see like people around are rejoicing, you know, lyrics and music is a way of expressing. So I think it goes hand in hand.
It goes hand in hand. So what is the next song that you picked for us?
So I've chose Ghar More Pardesiya. It's
Beautiful.
another, you know, song that's, I think, uplifting. So hopefully our audience enjoys that as well.
Absolutely, they're enjoying. Everybody's giving their comments about the singing, and of course, they also have some song requests. Like we said, we're going to pick it up in the end of the session. Go ahead, Niti. Thank you.
Feel free to clap along, dance along.
रघुवीर तेरी राह निहारे, रघुवीर तेरी राह निहारे, साधु जन्म से सिया, घर मोरे परदेसिया, आओ पधारो पिया, घर मोरे परदेसिया, आओ पधारो पिया. Tadena tadena dim, tadena tadena dim, tadena tadena dim, tadena dim dim tadani. मैंने सुध बुध चैन गवा के, मैंने सुध बुध चैन गवा के, राम रतन पा लिया, घर मोरे परदेसिया, आओ पधारो पिया. गरे 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 तानी तरे पम पग मरे गरे गरे त पम पम पग मग मरे ग मगरे नि त रे रे मम मम परे मपनी मपनी त गई पन गट बन भरण भरण पनिया रे वाणी गई पन गट बन भरण भरण पनिया हो नैनो की तेरे बाल से मुरझत हुई रनिया जो छने ने 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 छने ने 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 नाम बनी रे बनी मैं तेरी जोगनिया घर मोरे फूल देतिया आओ पधारो पिया घर मोरे परदेसिया आओ पधारो पिया. Thank you.
Very nice.
And thank you to everyone that's commenting. Thank you.
madhvi ji aap silent pe ho.
So we have Syed Bhai from Hyderabad saying that be positive and keep smiling. We will cross this rough time with flying colors by staying at home and having such beautiful evenings. Sham ek gana. And we also have Ashwini who said, beautiful singing, Neeti. We want more and more and more from you. And can we make this a regular episode? Why not, Tusharji? What do you say?
Yes, yes, absolutely. We can do this weekly.
We can do weekly.
Yes, yes.
And Nitin says that we all need to be safe, and the best way to spend time is to have such evenings together. भाई हमारे साथ डॉक्टर साहब भी हैं, तो हमें किसी बात से डर नहीं है अभी.
Absolutely.
Shaji, what is the next song that you have picked?
So next song is another romantic one from 1970s again, but this time is from Kishore Kumar, very famous song from movie Blackmail, Pal Pal Dil Ke Paas.
Beautiful.
ये कहती हो दिल के पास तुम रहती हो तेरा चल रहा है अल्लाह यादों की मैं सांस लेता तेरी खुशी है महका महका सा पैगाम मेरे दिल की धड़कन भी तेरे गीत गाती है पल पल जल के मुझको देखा था मैंने अपने आंगन में जैसे कह रही थी मुझे मालूम
कैसा रिश्ता है, ये कैसे सपने हैं, बेगाने होकर भी क्यों लगते अपने हैं। मैं सोच में रहता हूँ, डर डर के कहता हूँ, पल दिल के पास रहती हो। सोचोगी क्यों इतना मैं तुमसे प्यार करूं, तुम समझोगी दीवाना भी प्यार करूं। दीवानों की ये बातें दीवाने जानते हैं, जलने में क्या मजा है परवाने जानते हैं। उन्हीं चलाते रहना पल पल दिल के पास। जीवन मीठी जान ये कहती हो, पल पल दिल के पास तुम रहती हो।
Thank you. You know, this song, particularly Pal Pal Dil Ke Paas, this song was one of the most popular songs from this particular album, though there was one more song which was like, which goes like Mile Do Badan. That was also a beautiful composition. The popularity of this song is so high that this is one of the most remixed versions or recreated versions of the songs which are still available.
Absolutely.
So, Neeti, getting back to you, and you had the honor to open the show in the honor of legendary choreographer Saroj Khan. And you also had the opportunity to perform in front of the legendary music director Anand Ji and Bollywood actress Padmini Kolhapure. Just share a little bit about that experience.
It was definitely, I think, like you said, an experience. I remember Saroj Ji, when I went to go, speak to her, I was very nervous. I was, I think, around 13, 14. And I just remember being so nervous. But again, these stars are so sweet. And then performing their songs in front of them was just a whole other honor and experience. I remember Saroj Ji called me over and she was teaching me expressions, that when you sing, you can still play with your eyes, or you can play with your face to bring out more of an expression to that song. So if anything, it's been a learning experience and an honor to be in front of them.
Awesome. Well, you have this experience this evening. How's this experience so far, Sham Gana? This is our first attempt at having this beautiful evening, and on popular request and demand, we should make it a weekly event. So how's the experience so far this evening?
Is that to
you, Neeti?
Oh, sorry.
Tushar ji is having fun. He's having blast there.
I personally love this. I'm reading the comments as they go, and I'm loving that I can sing and hopefully cheer up people. I know everyone's at home; it's a tough time, but hopefully this is something that would help everyone get through.
Absolutely. So let's go with your next pick of the evening.
Sure.
Yes, so the next song is from movie called Bade Dilwala. It's Kishore Kumar R.D. Burman song. Jeevan ke Deen Chote Se.
La 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 जीवन के दिन छोटे सही हम भी बड़े दिल वाले कल की हमें कहा सोचे जो वाले जीवन के दिन छोटे सही हम भी बड़े दिल वाले कल की हमें कहा सोचे जो हम वाले जीने का रंगीन मौसम ये खूबसूरत ज़माना जीने का रंगीन मौसम ये खूबसूरत ज़माना अपने यही चार पल है आगे है क्या किसने जाना जीना जिसे आता है इनमें ही मौज मना ले कल की हमें फुर्सत कहाँ सोचे जो हम वाले जीवन के दिन छोटे सही हम भी बड़े दिल वाले कल की हमें फुर्सत कहाँ सोचे जो हम वाले ये जिंदगी दर्द भी है ये जिंदगी है दवा भी ये जिंदगी दर्द भी है ये जिंदगी है दवा भी दिल तोड़ना ही न जाने जाने ये दिल तोड़ना ही इस जिंदगी का शुक्रिया सबके ऊपर वाले कल की हमें फुर्सत कहाँ सोचे जो हम वाले ला 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 कल की हमें फुर्सत कहाँ सोचे जो हम वाले जीवन के दिन छोटे सही हम भी बड़े दिल वाले कल की हमें फुर्सत कहाँ सोचे जो हम वाले सोचे जो हम वाले Thank you.
Wow. RD Burban Classic, Rishi Kapoor, Tina Munim, Sarika and Madan Puri, बड़े दिल वाले.
Yes.
तुषार जी ये बताइए आपने कभी सोचा था कि किसी दिन किसी शाम आप ऐसे ही शामे गाना करेंगे?
Absolutely not in my wildest dream. No, never.
You know, for every singer, the audience is plays a very important role, right? And of course, we have
Yes.
wonderful participants and the audience here who are cheering us. And we are so delighted to have their company. Everybody, thank you so much. Tusharji, your message for them. And Ankit is saying, why can't we do this weekly?
What is that?
Ankit is saying, why can't we have this weekly affair? What's
Weekly
your say
affair.
for that?
Yes, we'll try. Definitely we can try. And probably we can invite other singers
We
as
can do
well.
Absolutely.
Yes.
Absolutely. So Niti, going up back to you. So what do you have next in lined up for us?
So I'm gonna also take it back in time. I'm gonna sing Ye Sama, because the Sama that we're building here, I think, is beautiful in contrast to what's going on. So we'll give that a shot.
Sure.
ये समा है ये प्यार का, किसी के इंतजार का, दिल ना चुराए कहीं मेरा मौसम बहार का। ये समा है ये प्यार का, किसी के इंतजार का, दिल ना चुराए कहीं मेरा मौसम बहार का। बसने लगे आँखों में कुछ ऐसे सपने, बसने लगे आँखों में कुछ ऐसे सपने, कोई बुलाए जैसे नैनों से अपने, नैनों से अपने। समा है दीदार का, किसी के इंतजार का, दिल ना चुराए कहीं मेरा मौसम बहार का।
Thank you to everyone that's commenting.
दिल के ख्यालों में ही अपने बलम से, मिल के ख्यालों में ही अपने बलम
wonderful, Neeti. Thank you so much for that beautiful pick. In fact, Brij Katyal was the person who actually gave the break to the lyricist Anand Bakshi. Though he wrote songs for a couple of movies before this particular movie, but his career supposedly they say took off from this particular song and this particular movie. Good pick. And now I think we really have to stress on the point that practice makes a person perfect. And Neeti, you are a perfect example there. The language, the lyrist, जो फिल्मी स्टाइल में जो कहते हैं हरकतें, बहुत ही अच्छा, बहुत ही खूब. What's the next? I think the next one that you have picked up is also a classic pick.
Yeah, so I've actually, I'll be trying Ajeeb Dastan.
Wow.
It's my favorite song, so I thought I'll share it with everyone today.
Sure.
All of you are clapping along, singing along.
अजीब दास्ता है कहाँ शुरू कहाँ खत्म ये मंजिलें हैं कौन सी ना वो समझ सके ना हम अजीब दास्ता है कहाँ शुरू कहाँ खत्म ये मंजिलें हैं कौन सी ना वो समझ सके ना हम ये रोशनी के साथ क्यों धुआं उठा चिराग से ये रोशनी के साथ क्यों धुआं उठा चिराग से ये ख्वाब देखती हूँ मैं कि जब पड़ी हो ख्वाब से अजीब दास्तां है कहाँ शुरू कहाँ खत्म ये मंजिलें हैं कौन सी ना वो समझ सके ना हम मुबारक है तुम्हें कि तुम किसी के नूर हो गए मुबारक है तुम्हें कि तुम किसी के नूर हो गए किसी के इतने पास हो कि सबसे दूर हो गए अजीब दास्तां है कहाँ शुरू कहाँ खत्म ये मंजिलें हैं कौन सी ना वो समझ सके ना हम किसी का प्यार लेके तुम नया
Beautiful. Shankar Jaikishan Speck. You know, there's a beautiful story behind this particular song that you've picked. It was one of the first songs which had a Hawaiian theme. The music of the song is quite Hawaiian, and that was like far ahead of its time for a movie which was released, I think, maybe sometime in 1961. And this song actually beat the other song from the film Mughal-e-Azam, and the music director got the Filmfare Award that year.
Wow.
And it's about 9:03 now. I think we're almost coming to the khatam part of this Sham E Gana, but there are a lot of similarities to this song in this evening. This movie was about a surgeon and a doctor and his love for his mate, and she was a nurse. And as we are about to close this session, we want to thank all the doctors and the healthcare facilities and the entire fraternity for the fantastic job that they are doing. And Tusharji, thank you to you too. And we'll let you make a finale here.
Absolutely. In fact, I'm going to sing one song and then Neeti will do the last finale.
Okay.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm singing the next song, Chehra Hai Ya Chand Khila Hai, from movie Sagar, my college day song. Hello. चांद खिला है तेरी शाम है क्या आगे जैसी आंखों वाली ये तो पता तेरा नाम है या चांद खिला है धूप गंधेरी शाम है क्या सागर जैसी आंखों वाली ये तो पता तेरा नाम है क्या तू क्या जाने तेरी खातिर इतना है बेभाग्य दिल तू क्या जाने देख रहा है कैसे कैसे काम्य दिल रहता है यहाँ तो जाता लम्हा थम जाए वक्त का दरिया बहते बहते इस मंजर में जम जाए मैं दीवाना दिल को बनाया दिल पर इल्जाम है क्या सागर जैसी आंखों वाली ये तो पता तेरा नाम है क्या आज मैं तुझसे दूर सही तू मुझसे अनजान सही तेरा साथ नहीं पाऊं खैर तेरा अरमान सही
माँ है शोर नहीं हो, खामोशी के मेरे हो, इस दुनिया में कोई नहीं हो, हम दोनों ही अकेले हो, तेरे सपने देख रहा हूँ और मेरा काम है क्या, काजल जैसी आँखों वाली, ये तो पता तेरा नाम है क्या, चेहरा है या चाँद खिला है, जुल्फ़ है मेरी शान है क्या, काजल जैसी आँखों वाली, ये तो पता तेरा नाम है क्या.
Thank you. Thank you so much. And before we get into the finale, I want to thank all our participants and attendees this evening. Preeti, Himex, Aniket, Ankush, Ashwin, Chandra, Harshad, Madhav, Madhvi Guti, Nimal Patel, Shefali, Sirish, Shiva Mathur, Tushar, Vijay, Radha, Mangla, and Syed, who just said bye to us because unka prayer ka time ho gaya. Thank you everybody for attending and encouraging this first Sham E Gana. And as we are working on a lot of other technicalities here, I think we look forward to more sessions. And I also want to thank Sangeeta Patel, who's been giving us messages in between saying that very nice, enjoying the beautiful selection of songs. So Neeti, over to you.
I would also like to thank everyone really quickly. I've been reading the comments as they've been coming as much as I can, and I just want to thank everyone for all the appreciation they're giving. And thank you again to all the doctors that are, I know, in the chat, like Dr. Shefali Patel, thank you so much. And I love you all too. I'm seeing the comment there. I love you all too.
And also big shout out to Madhviji and
Thank
our
you.
own Vijay Garji of Indus TV, PGA, and entire crew. Thank you so much.
Take it away, Neeti.
Okay, so this next song is a medley. So I hope you guys enjoy this.
दिल खो गया हो गया किसी का अब रास्ता मिल गया खुशी का आँखों में है ख्वाब सा किसी का अब रास्ता मिल गया खुशी का रिश्ता यारों का छू रहा है खींचे मुझे कोई डोर तेरी ओर तेरी ओर तेरी ओर तेरी ओर हर रब्बा तेरी ओर तेरी ओर तेरी ओर तेरी ओर तेरी ओर तेरी ओर हर रब्बा तेरी ओर तेरी ओर तेरी ओर तो कमाल का आते भी कमाल की सैया तो कमाल का बातें भी कमाल की अगर रंग जो तेरा हुई मैं कमाल की पारे 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 पायो पारे 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 पायो पारे 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 पायो रे प्रेम रतन धन पायो प्रेम रतन धन पायो छायो मैंने प्रेम बंधन पायो छायो गायो गायो आयो आयो धन तो प्रीत की सर पे उड़ कर घूमर घूमर घूमे हाँ घूमर घूमर घूमे लल करीत सब जग के छोड़ कर घूमर घूमर घूमे भड़के ढोला वाले ठाट घूमर 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 घूमे घूमर 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 पैसा घूमर घूमे हो भारी सारे काय बोले ढोल जी की छाया होले मन का घूमर चुप डोले सोने बन में नीला पड़ के ढोला वाले हाथ घूमर 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 घूमे घूमर 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 पैसा घूमर घूमे थारे एहसासों की रौनक है भारी दीवानी मन महल की सारी दीवारें थारे रंग रंग वाले थारे एहसासों की रौनक है भारी दीवानी मन महल की सारी दीवारें थारे रंग रंग वाली आके थारा साया तन है जज्बा गया कारोबारी हो गए भारी सारी काली रात भर के ढोला वाली ठाट घूमर 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 घूमे घूमर 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 पैसा घूमर घूमे मन के प्रीत की सर पे उड़ कर घूमर घूमर घूमे ललक प्रीत सब जग के छोड़ कर घूमर घूमर घूमे भड़के ढोला वाले ठाट घूमर 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 घूमे घूमर 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 पैसा घूमर घूमे
Thank you.
Thank
Very
you
good.
so much, Neeti and Tusharji. Thank you, everybody, for joining us on this evening, Shame Gana. And this was our first experience with this entire performance and getting everybody to participate. And as I'm seeing all the messages and texts that are coming in, yes, we will be opening up this session to all our participants also next week, our attendees also. And if you have a song request or a song that you want to sing, we will surely be able to accommodate that. What do you say, Tusharji, about this?
Yes, definitely. We'll come up with some kind of format. We'll let everyone know by middle of next week, and we'll do something next week.
We'll definitely take up one
Yes.
more session. Thank you once again for taking your precious time and entertaining us this evening and taking a mind off all the other things that are happening outside the house. And I think the safest place is inside the house. Stay safe, everybody. Good night, and catch you very soon next week here on with Indus TV. And we also want to thank PGA, Indus TV, Tusharji, Preeti for this wonderful evening. Thank you. Good night.
Thank you. Good night.